Number 7 is the drag brake force. Drag brake means the brake force on the motor when the throttle is moved from non-neutral to neutral. Welcome to Big Son Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you how to program and also give you my recommended settings on Hobbywing Fusion Brushless Motor ESC system. Hobbywing makes this in a 1200 kb and 1800 kb version, and this process and the settings applies to both. In order to do the programming, make sure that the ESC is turned off. You'll connect the JST plug here with the black wire to the negative port. And then remove the rubber cap from the on-off switch and insert the other side of the wire. The black wire goes under P or to the left side of the switch. Now turn on the ESC. Here you are going to select the different items. The Fusion has only 9 programmable items compared to 15 for the 1080, so it's a quicker setup. Let's start with number 1, RPM Throttle Matching. This is the FOC. Default is set on value 1, which is enabled, and I'll keep it enabled. Next is LiPo cells. The default is automatic judgment. Since I only use 3S LiPo, I'll change the value to 3 and click on OK to save it. Next is the cutoff voltage. The function is to prevent accidental discharge of batteries and damaging the battery. The ESC will monitor the battery voltage, and once the voltage drops below the set threshold, then it will shut off. The default is set to intermediate, which means it will shut off if it falls below 3.2 volts per cell. Low is 3 volts per cell and high is 3.4 volts per cell. I find the intermediate works well, so I'll keep it at a default value. Number 4 is the ESC Thermal Protection. Basically, ESC will shut off automatically when the temperature rises to preset value. Value 1 is 105 degrees Celsius or 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Value 2 is 125 degrees Celsius and then 257 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll keep this value to default value of 1. Number 5 is the motor rotation, and this is the key change that we need to do. This swaps the direction of the motor. The default is set to counterclockwise. We need to change this to clockwise to ensure that the motor rotates correctly. Number 6 is the BEC voltage. Option 1 is 6 volts and option 2 is 7.4 volts. For this setting, you need to check your servos to see if they can handle 7.4 volts. For me, since I'm using direct connect battery and I do not have smaller micro servos, it really doesn't matter for me. So I'll keep it to default 6.4 volts. For those of you that do have micro servos, I would keep it at value 1 as well. Number 7 is the drag brake force. Drag brake means the brake force on the motor when the throttle is moved from non-neutral to neutral. The default is on value 5, which is level 4. Personally, I want all of the drag brake as possible, so I'm going to set the value to value 9, level 8. Next is the drag brake rate. It's the rate that the drag brake forces increases from 0 to the set value. Reasonably setting this value can make the rig stop more stably. The default is on value 5 or level 5. Since this is my trail rig, I'm going to lower this a bit to option 4 and adjust as needed. And number 9 is the max reverse force. I know that some people love full reverse, but I don't really like full reverse on my rigs. So I would go with the option 2, which is 50%. If I need more, then I'll adjust to 75%. Once everything is set to your liking, turn off the ESC and we're set to go. Now you can disconnect the cable and make sure to put the rubber cap on. Hope you found the information helpful. Please like and subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching Big Song Hobbies.